Hey guys, please watch my video till end because the quality content which I will provide you in or less than 3 minutes will be priceless and very useful to you. It might change your life, so I don't think you will skip my video. So let's start the powerful video. There are a variety of factors that can be responsible for the discomfort that is experienced in the joints. Being involved in an accident, suffering from inflammation, having arthritis, or having other underlying health conditions are some of the things that fall under this category. In order to effectively treat joint pain, it is essential to adopt a holistic strategy that involves making adjustments to one's lifestyle, engaging in physical exercise, and, in specific circumstances, obtaining the advice of a medical professional. It is only by this method that joint discomfort can be adequately managed. 1. Determining the potential factors that contribute to the issue. To effectively manage joint pain, it is absolutely vital to have a comprehensive understanding of the difficulties that are the underlying source of the pain in the joints. This is a must for successful management of joint pain. The elements listed below are some instances of causes that are widely occurring. An inflammation of the joints, usually referred to as osteoarthritis, is one of the many types of arthritis. There are numerous other types of arthritis. The ailment that is referred to as rheumatoid arthritis is a disorder that is brought on by the inflammation of the immune system. Among the various sorts of injuries that are included in this category are fractures, sprains, and strains, to name just a few instances. Bursitis and tendinitis are only two examples of the many disorders that fall under the category of inflammation. There are many other conditions that fall into this category as well. Here are some instances of changes that can be made to one's way of life on a regular basis, and they are listed below. Diets that are heavy in omega-3 fatty acids, fruits, and vegetables are ones that are considered to be anti-inflammatory diets. Not only are these diets nourishing, but they also reduce inflammation. 1. A. Making the choice to follow a diet that is higher in nutritious foods. Consuming dietary supplements is the best way to acquire chondroitin and glucosamine, two examples of compounds that may be useful to the health of the joints. Both of these compounds can be obtained through the intake of dietary supplements. It is of the utmost importance that you keep a healthy range of weight. The knees and hips, in particular, are the joints that are subjected to unnecessary strain when someone is overweight. This is especially true for individuals who are overweight or obese. It is of the utmost need to ensure that one consistently maintains a weight that is within a healthy range. You should choose a diet that is well balanced and start engaging in physical exercise on a regular basis if you want to be successful in controlling your weight. If you want to attain your objective of effectively managing your weight, this will help you get there. In order to ensure that joints are appropriately lubricated whenever they are required, it is vital to ensure that a healthy quantity of water is maintained at all times. Because smoking can increase joint pain and contribute to the development of arthritis, stopping smoking is an important step to take that should not be disregarded. Quitting smoking would be the most reasonable course of action to take in this situation. Consumption of alcoholic beverages in quantities that are moderate. Consuming an excessive amount of alcohol may be one of the factors that contributes to the development of joint inflammation. A recommendation has been made for the consumption of alcohol in moderation. As an example of low-impact workouts that are easy on the joints, some examples of such exercises include walking, cycling, and swimming. Running and swimming are two other cases in point. Walking and cycling are two other examples of low-impact workouts that can be obtained from the list of possibilities that are provided. By engaging in activities that entail strength training, one can enhance the stability of their joints. This can be accomplished by performing exercises. One of the methods that can be utilized is stretching on a daily basis. This is the second approach that can be utilized in order to preserve flexibility through constant exercise. Activities that could be useful include yoga and Pilates, to name just two examples of exercises that fall under this category. There is a correlation between engaging in aerobic activity and an improvement in the overall function of your joints, as well as an improvement in the health of your cardiovascular system. When it comes to the treatment and management of pain, there are many different ways, including the following. A treatment procedure known as hot and cold therapy involves applying heat or cold packs to the affected area in order to reduce inflammation and alleviate discomfort. This is done in order to maximize the effectiveness of the treatment. You can use lotions or patches, which are frequently available without a prescription, to provide localized pain relief. These products are available in a variety of forms. Another type of painkiller is known as a topical analgesic, and it falls under the group of painkillers. For the purpose of reducing the amount of strain that is placed on the joints as a result of the activities that are being carried out, it is essential to make use of ergonomic equipment and assistive technologies. Medications, particularly nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory medicines, NSAIDs, in particular, are commonly used in the treatment of pain and inflammation. This is because these medications are more effective than other types of pharmaceuticals. The following are examples of interventions in the field of medicine. Disease-modifying antirheumatic medicines, or DMARDs for short, are the medications that are used in the treatment of autoimmune arthritis. These treatments are used to address the symptoms of the condition. In the field of physical therapy, certain treatments and exercises are carried out under the guidance and supervision of a therapist. This guidance and supervision are essential to the success of the treatment. For the treatment of severe inflammation, it is common practice to deliver injections of corticosteroids. The administration of injections is a common form of treatment. Injections of hyaluronic acid are administered to patients who are suffering from osteoarthritis in order to provide them with lubrication. It is done in order to treat the condition that has been identified. In situations when the joint injury is significant, it is possible that concerns regarding surgical intervention will be taken into consideration. Surgery and its procedures. In circumstances where the joint injury is significant, there are possibilities that can occur. The following is a list of procedures that are examples of those that involve both the body and the intellect. In the context of the management of pain perception, it seems that meditation, and more specifically mindfulness meditation, is a practice that has the potential to be effective. Through the utilization of biofeedback, it is possible to achieve the goal of acquiring the capability to exercise control over one's physiological systems in order to reduce suffering. It is a method that is associated with traditional Chinese medicine and is usually utilized for the treatment of issues that are associated with pain. Chinese medicine has a long history of using acupuncture as a treatment method. In order to effectively manage joint pain, it is necessary to take a multi-pronged strategy. This method involves making modifications to one's lifestyle, participating in specific activities, and, if necessary, undertaking medical procedures. It is essential to do this in order to get the outcomes that are sought. It is of the utmost importance to consult with medical specialists in order to obtain customized guidance that is based on the particular health challenges that the individual is going through. Taking into account what the person is going through should be the basis for this counsel. When it comes to the use of these strategies, maintaining a consistent approach has the potential to make a significant contribution to the improvement of joint health and general fitness. Because of this, this tactic has the potential to have a significant impact on the situation. Like, share, subscribe, and comment.